Model, 63-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 Maxi 2.0 TDI 140 PS window crew van no cat bargain. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 169,803. MOT, the 12th of October 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSB. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on